Yes, dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. At present, I am here at Pampore, and these are the saffron plants all around here. You can see the farmers are working here, and this is the saffron field of Pampore area of district Pulwama, perhaps. And this is the national highway, and from that very direction you can go to Srinagar, and from that very direction you can go to Jammu, and this is all around presented by our Lord, our Almighty Allah. And these are the live visuals which you can observe. Overall, it is a wonderful view captured by this very camera. Overall, thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.